Hello everyone, you're welcome to Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making some beetroot juice. The great thing about beetroot juice is that it's rich in folate, that is vitamin B9, which means the increase in blood production in your system. Another great thing about beetroot juice is that it's very good for hypertensive patients. So if you know anyone suffering from hypertension, or if you're suffering from hypertension yourself, you might consider the option of adding beets to your diet. It's loaded with manganese, it's loaded with potassium. Today we are making just a very simple beetroot juice, but something that when you incorporate into your diet, it's really lovely. The kids love this because it's really refreshing. Come with us as we make this. I know for sure you will like this. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and please share as well. Thank you. Super beetroot juice. We'll be needing some beetroot chunks. As you can see, this has already been peeled and cut into chunks. We need some ginger, we need some celery stalk, a little bit of that. We need either lemon or lime, and we need some watermelon that has been cut into chunks and is seeded as well. So I'll go about peeling the lime and cutting the ginger into bits, and then we'll start blending. So I'm just going to go ahead and peel my lime or lemon, depending on what you're using. I'm trying to get rid of both the rind and the white part of the lemon, just as easy as that. We'll cut all that out. I'm just going to be checking for seeds to be sure we don't have any seeds in here. And while I do that, I will get rid of the core of the lemon as well. I can see we're good with this. Then we'll go ahead and cut the ginger into smaller bits. So right now we'll start blending. So into the blender goes the watermelon chunk. And then we'll be adding on the beetroot and the celery stalk. So that goes in as well. And then we'll be adding on the lime and the ginger that we just cut up now. So that goes in as well. Now I'm going to close this up and we'll start blending. So that's exactly what we are looking for. You can see how vibrant and beautiful the color looks. I'll be pouring this out to show you how I have this. So we're just going to go ahead to serve this. Really beautiful color filled with nutrients. Very good for anyone. I'm sure the kids will love this too. And it's very good for those that are trying to control their blood pressure. Hope you give this a go and let us know what your take is on this. Please, if you've not subscribed, don't forget to do so by hitting on the subscribe button. Thank you.